Hello guys, I'm Alan Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your email recovery. In case someone who has changed your password, someone who has hijacked or hacked your Gmail ID, or someone else is using your Gmails, or in case you have lost your device and due to that you have lost your access to against your Gmail ID that was previous, or either you have an old one Gmail that you would like to recover without having the recovery password, recovery especially email and the phone numbers. Yes, there is an alternative way by providing sufficient information or answer as many questions you can to a Google or from Google's and use a device where you have the signed before, or more tips to recover your accounts via that alternative way. You can recover it quickly. We will see live step by step here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer, so just we will go for try again, and here just this idea we will have to go for enter in the account recovery phase. And what we will do here guys, we have a try another way because we don't have a password. So now yes, we don't have a phone number so that I can get OTP and we cannot generate. So now it's essential that more tips to the records that we have. If I try again multiple times, then this account would be open in a new platforms, and there we will have to enter different email proof identity on the basis of Google will endorse to other recognize that this account is mine or not. If it is mine, then of course after 48 hours it will give an opportunity to create the strong password, but total especially estimated times can be of course expected furthermore, so it will make a delay. So if you would like to quickly recover, so then simply just we will cut it from here, and of course we will have to come to Play Store. In the Play Store of course we will have to download one browser, and the browser is very simple. Just we will go for here, click on it, and we have the one browser that is easy way browser for Android. This one's very simple browser, and of course just we will go for find it, and here when we will go for install it, and then see what will happen. It has just started to install. On the other hand, 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute. So hold it in this G browser, and notification and navigation of location that we will have to change. So see here, just we will go for open these ones notifications, and the phone of course tap on it. So it has been the block, and yes, we will back, and just we will go for here once again, and here just we will click on here this icons, and upon of course here in a permission we will have to make it block. So where is the location? This one allow all the time. We will click on a precise location. We will have to make it off, and then click here. So it's asking that device may no longer function as intended. For timing I'm doing it, so just click on it. Once again we will cut it from here, and once again we will come in. This is a Chrome, also product of Google. We will have to do a similar strategy, notification and everything. So now this one we will have to block. So let's click on here. So 2 times it has been the blocks. Now just we will back. We will come the permission. In the permission here, just here we will come in the location. Click on the precise location disable guys, and upon of course click on it, don't allow. And of course we will answer this one, and upon of course here just we will go for back, and back to free. This ones we will have to move. Once again we will have to back here is a browser, of course enter this ones, and upon we have this browser. Now we will pick this one, we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will open this browser. Let's see, configured, and now say it's opening. Just we will have to pick this one without making delay. Just tap on it here. Now see here, we don't have to click on here. We will have to click on these ones. Now see here, just we will have to download. Sorry, we will have to especially type here this particular, of course, ID that we would like to recover. So now see guys here, just we will go for next, and now it's asking password again. So just we will go for forgot password. Do a step by step guys, and see what will happen here. Of course we don't have a phone number. Actual explanation we will have to give. Now see more tips to the recovers. If I click here, try again, so then of course in this account would be a freeze because I'm trying to the recovers via different browser. So Google will track easily that this ID doesn't belong to me. That's why actually I'm trying to recover via different browser. So what we will do, don't click on here, just we will click on here, and upon of course we will come now setting guys. Now these all are crucial steps, just carefully watch. Now in the Google service we have here and click on here. Now we will be on a help icon, and upon of course we will pick this help options, and upon what we will happens, yes, just we will click the sign into Google accounts, and here we have a fourth number explanation that is officially selecting this, and of course we will go for secure your accounts. Now we will have to come the account your and now find out if your account has been hacked, stolen by someone, changed the password by someone, of course, and hijacked by someone. Now we will have to come to the account recovery phase, and here just to see automatically has been changed. And now once again we will have to type in this ID, and thereupon of course we will pick this ID, and thereupon of course we will have to go for click on here just to see guys, click on next. Now see guys here what will happen here. Just so that we have two options, either we can go for never or we can go for continue. So just to click on a never, don't go for continue, otherwise you would be a trap in a where it's verify US tips. There you will have to do query, of course you will have to reply the answers to the Googles, and of course you will have no option also to get OTP and response. So you haven't added there the recovery email and the recovery of course the 4 numbers in there, so you will have the problem guys. So that's why don't click on a continue, otherwise you will be trapped in verify it's you option. So just we will click on a change the password, and now what will happen guys, here we have the strong opportunity to create the strong the password, new confirms the password, and the of course click on a chance, and after that once again you will have to go in a security center and the phone add the recovery email and add the recovery email, so that such kind of incident won't be repeated again, especially on your Gmail. So this is all about right now, especially on a screen live, so that we cannot especially right here guys, yes, a strong password because it will be in a public domain. So that's why this is all about in this video tutorial. But furthermore in inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. So pleasure would be managed to reply your query guys. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.